Alright. Video started. So, hello everybody and welcome to another Minecraft Bed Wars video. Today, we'll be playing a 4v4's Bed Wars with, me and Force Boss. We got Who's Son First, we got Call Me Awesome, and CJ Moose. Here we go. Alright. Are you on Discord? My Discord is taking a long time to load. There might be some background noises. Just ignore the background noises. Alright. So we have blue and yellow. Yellow seems to be the person to go to because they're the one that's stealing my diamonds. I don't like people to steal my diamonds, so I'm gonna go attack them. Oh, I don't really feel like making a video today. Oh, and I can't. I just failed my speed bridge. I'm a great Bed Wars player. Best Bed Wars player can ever imagine. Oh, and I play on 1.8 now. So I can block hit, I can be better at PvP. Oh, nice, good job. So we only have blue team to go for. I want to get a victory in Bed Wars. Getting victories in Bed Wars is an amazing thing to do. They're just so amazing. Oh my god, this guy's like over here, and I can't really do anything because my screen recorder is kind of glitchy and everything. I can't really do anything, and my FPS is like 0. Oh, okay, blue bed got this. Oh, good job. Alright. Good job. Oh, my FPS so low. My FPS is like gone. Alright. My teammates have been carrying me. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe I can at least steal all the finals. Yeah, walk onto the bridge. Okay, oh, CJ Moose is calling. No, don't tell me it's gonna TNT the bridge. Oh my god, that is like lag. Hello? Hello, CJ Moose? Yeah, I'm recording a video. Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh god, ink, blue. Oh no, he has a fireball. Oh my god, he just fireball jumped. Our bed's gone. Our bed is so gone. Okay. I can't really hear you that much. Oh yay, we won. Good job. I actually recorded it. I'm recording my teammates like carrying me in Bed Wars. Oh, that's my grandma. Hello. Alright, so, yeah, GG. Okay, so, I want to actually do something this game, not like have my teammates carry me all the time. It's good to have your teammates carry you. It's just a free, you're just here for the free wins, maybe. Alright. Okay. I hate lag, you know. Lag is just the worst thing to have. Low FPS. Low FPS, you can't really sprint. Oh my god, I don't like this map. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna have to live with it because one of my teammates could have like a win streak, and then I warp them out of a game, and then it ends their win streak. So I'm just gonna stick with this map. Not this map. Yes. What? Hello? Oh, you need to speak louder. Can I tell my kid doesn't like? So I need go for TNT. No, I need go for iron armor. I need go too. I need iron armor. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, my FPS is so low. I can't do. Oh, I know how to fix this. No, not like this. Okay, if I maybe do that, it's just maybe adjusting. Okay, and I fell off. Oh no. Uh-oh, I'm lagging, and it's probably because of my screen recorder. I don't know. Oh no, and the bridge is broken. Bad. Uh-oh. Oh no. I hope my commentary is actually good. Someone defend. Sure, I'll defend it. Look at this. This is the strongest layer of wool. It's so strong. No one can ever possibly destroy it. It's too strong. It's too powerful. Well, no, it's too powerful. Oh, hello. Yeah, you're actually speaking loudly, so everyone can hear you, and maybe so all the viewers can hear you. How nice. Oh my god, sometimes I just really don't like recording because I just fell off into the void because my FPS is like 1. And our bed just got destroyed. We're doing good. Alright, I can't PvP. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, did I just rubber band back? How lucky is that? Yeah, I'm dead. What? I know, look. What a laggy day of Bed Wars. And he left the party. Why you leave? Oh, they all left. I'm losing my voice, so it's gonna be hard to hear. I'm kind of losing my voice a little too. Oh my god. I don't think this guy has blocked. Yeah. Hello. Takes me like a million years to look in the shop. Just kill us already. Come on. Oh. Okay. Oh, he fireball jumped. And he died. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, okay. Well, unfortunately, this is going to be the end of this video because time has run out, so bye.